Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Ajay. Today you are standing at the Fire restaurant in the Park Hotel. So I'm going to talk about Kulle Ki Chaat today. It is made up of fruit and vegetable. It's a 100-year-old chaat which has been made with the fruit which are scooped out from inside. Basically Kulhe means which is the cup in a Hindi form. It is called as cup, which has been stuffed with a lot of garam masala, a lot of sugar, lime juice and a lot of chaat stuff called as like chana is there, pomegranate is there to balance and to give it the crunch. Then it top up with ginger. So that's for the recipe for the today.